Gazing at the night sky is more than just a hobby. It's a journey into the universe. With the right astronomy telescope, distant planets, star clusters, and galaxies come into focus, turning curiosity into discovery. Whether you're just starting your stargazing adventure or looking to upgrade your gear, here are the best 5 astronomy telescopes to bring the cosmos closer than ever. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Borwolf 90600 Telescope. There is a special kind of excitement that comes from peering into the night sky and realizing just how vast and mesmerizing the universe truly is, and this telescope makes that feeling tangible. From the moment you set it up, the 90mm high-transmission optical lens impresses with its ability to gather light, rendering brighter, sharper images of distant celestial bodies. Stars, planets, and even some deep-sky objects appear with remarkable clarity, giving both beginners and seasoned astronomy enthusiasts a truly immersive viewing experience. The fully multi-coated optical glass enhances light transmission, producing vivid images that capture subtle details, from the craters of the Moon to the rings of Saturn, making stargazing feel both magical and scientifically engaging. Versatility is a major strength of this telescope. It is designed for dual use, allowing observation of both celestial wonders and earthly scenery. A small magnification eyepiece transforms it into a powerful terrestrial scope, delivering clear, wide-field views of landscapes, distant mountains, or wildlife. The inclusion of multiple interchangeable eyepieces, 4mm, 10mm, and 25mm, along with a 5x Barlow lens, provides a wide magnification range from 24x to an astonishing 750x, offering flexibility to explore everything from broad star fields to minute planetary details. Locating objects is simplified with the 5x24 finder scope with crosshairs, ensuring that even beginners can track celestial bodies with confidence. The included adjustable aluminum tripod adds a layer of stability and convenience that makes extended observation sessions comfortable. It can be extended from 20 inches to over 55 inches, allowing users of different heights to find the perfect viewing angle while maintaining a steady and vibration-free image. Its durable construction ensures reliability, making it easy to enjoy uninterrupted sessions under the night sky. Photography is also thoughtfully integrated with a mobile phone holder, allowing users to capture stunning images or videos directly through the eyepiece. This feature bridges the gap between observation and documentation, letting you preserve the beauty of the cosmos or scenic vistas for sharing or study. Altogether, this telescope delivers a professional-grade experience that balances high-quality optics, versatility, and practical features. It opens the door to a world of astronomical and terrestrial exploration, inviting curiosity, discovery, and wonder every time you look through the lens. Pros: high clarity, versatile use, adjustable tripod, mobile photography. Cons: heavy, learning curve. Number 4, Maxvision 70400 Telescope. There is a special kind of thrill in exploring the night sky for the first time, and this compact telescope makes that experience accessible and exciting. Designed with beginners and students in mind, it combines portability with surprisingly capable optics. The 70mm achromatic lens gathers enough light to reveal celestial objects with clarity, reducing chromatic aberration and producing sharper, more accurate colors than basic telescopes. The focal length of 400mm paired with 175x magnification allows for detailed observation of the Moon's craters, planets like Jupiter and Saturn, and bright star clusters, making it an excellent tool for those just starting their astronomical journey. Its compact design is one of its strongest features. Lightweight and portable, it is easy to carry to parks, camping trips, or school projects, removing the intimidation often associated with larger, more complex telescopes. The small footprint makes setup straightforward, so beginners can spend more time observing rather than assembling. Despite its size, it maintains optical performance that supports both celestial and limited terrestrial viewing, making it versatile for multiple environments. The simplicity of the design encourages learning and exploration. While it does not include the advanced features of professional telescopes, it offers a solid foundation in astronomical observation. Users can experiment with different viewing angles and focal adjustments, gradually developing an understanding of optics and celestial navigation. Its monocular format makes focusing and handling easier for novices, allowing them to comfortably explore the sky without feeling overwhelmed. Although minimalistic, the Maxvision 70400 does not compromise on the essential joy of astronomy. It introduces students and beginners to the wonders of space, giving a clear view of planets, stars, and lunar landscapes. Its compact tripod support provides stable viewing, while portability ensures that the universe is never out of reach, whether for casual stargazing or structured learning activities. Overall, this telescope offers an accessible, portable, and educational experience that inspires curiosity and encourages exploration of the cosmos. It balances practicality with enough optical power to deliver a satisfying and motivating introduction to astronomy. Pros: portable, beginner-friendly, clear optics, easy setup. Cons: limited features, small aperture. Number 3. Skywatcher EvoGuide 50 ED Telescope. There is a rare satisfaction in using a telescope that balances precision, compactness, and optical quality, and the Skywatcher EvoGuide 50 ED delivers all three with remarkable elegance. Designed primarily as a high-quality guide scope, it features a 50mm doublet ED lens that incorporates O'Hara SFPL53 glass, ensuring superior color correction and pinpoint sharpness. Stars appear crisp and well-defined, making auto-guiding for astrophotography both accurate and effortless. With a fast focal ratio of f4.8 and a focal length of 242mm, it allows for quick target acquisition while maintaining exceptional image quality, which is ideal for both beginners and experienced astronomers looking for a lightweight, precise guide scope. The helical focuser is finely engineered, allowing smooth, precise adjustments that make focusing a pleasure rather than a chore. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing just 865 grams, ensures easy portability and rapid setup, making it suitable for travel or quick observation sessions. Despite its small size, it provides flexibility, doubling as a finder scope, a small rich-field telescope, or even a secondary lens for your camera. This versatility is enhanced by the T2 thread and 1.25 socket, enabling seamless connection to auto-guiders, cameras, or eyepieces. Practicality and precision extend to the included collimation rings, which feature 3 nylon-tipped screws for exact alignment with the main telescope. The EvoGuide 50 ED also comes with a Skywatcher/Vixen-style mini dovetail bracket for standard finder shoes, simplifying mounting and adjustment. These thoughtful design choices ensure that setup is quick and accurate, allowing users to spend more time observing or imaging rather than adjusting hardware. Despite being a specialized guide scope, it provides high optical performance and versatility that can be appreciated outside of guiding. Whether used as a travel scope, a secondary telescope, or a precise tool for astrophotography, the EvoGuide 50 ED delivers consistent clarity, sharp stars, and reliable performance. Its compact design, premium optics, and precise engineering make it a highly effective addition to any astronomy toolkit, particularly for those who value portability without sacrificing quality. Altogether, the Skywatcher EvoGuide 50 ED combines advanced optics, precise focusing, and versatile mounting options in a small, portable package, offering reliability and exceptional performance for serious astronomy enthusiasts. Pros: pinpoint sharp, compact, versatile, fast setup. Cons: limited aperture, no eyepieces. Number 2. Svbony SV503 Telescope. There's a special thrill in holding a telescope that feels both precise and elegant, and the Svbony SV503 embodies that excitement perfectly. Designed as an extra-low dispersion achromatic refractor, it delivers exceptional optical performance in a compact and lightweight form. Weighing just 2.22 kilograms and with a retractable dew cap that reduces its length to a mere 318 millimeters, this telescope is highly portable without sacrificing quality, making it ideal for astrophotography, stargazing, or even scenic terrestrial observation. The SFPL51 ED glass in the objective lens minimizes chromatic aberration, producing sharp, well-corrected colors and crisp images across the field of view. Stars, planets, and lunar details appear vivid and precise, bringing both beginner and advanced observers closer to the wonders of the universe. The telescope's design demonstrates thoughtful attention to usability and control. Its 2-inch 2-speed tooth focuser, with a 1:10 deceleration ratio, allows for ultra-precise focusing, essential for capturing fine details in astrophotography or achieving perfect visual clarity when observing deep sky objects. Accessories like the dew shield, lens cover, dust cover, and 150mm dovetail plate enhance protection and mounting options, ensuring your optics remain safe while also providing versatile installation for a variety of setups. Beyond its technical performance, the Svbony SV503 is beautifully constructed. The optical tube features high-end, fine-grained baked paint, giving it an elegant, durable finish that is as pleasing to hold as it is to look through. Its compact form makes it convenient for fieldwork, traveling to remote observation sites, or simply storing without taking up excessive space. Astrophotography enthusiasts will particularly appreciate its compatibility with large chips and its ability to capture detailed celestial images. Whether shooting the moon, planets, or deep sky objects, the telescope delivers sharp edges and high-quality resolution. For landscapes or terrestrial use, it also produces wide-field, color-accurate images, making it versatile for multiple observation needs. Overall, the Svbony SV503 is a compact yet highly capable telescope, combining precision optics, portability, and elegant design. It is perfect for astronomers and astrophotographers who want high-quality results without the burden of large, cumbersome equipment. Pros: high clarity, lightweight, ED lens, precise focus. Cons: limited magnification. Number 1 and the winner is Askar 71F telescope. There's a special excitement in owning a telescope that balances high-quality optics, portability, and versatility, and the Askar 71F delivers all three with remarkable precision. Designed as a flat-field astrograph, it is ideal for both visual observation and astrophotography, offering stunning clarity across a wide range of targets. The 71F's lightweight construction, only 2.5 kilograms for the optical tube assembly, makes it easy to carry and set up, while the included dovetail plate and tube rings provide stable mounting for extended sessions under the stars. Its compact size and controlled weight mean that even longer observation sessions are comfortable, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users who value portability without compromising optical performance. A standout feature is its inclusion of a 1.25-inch UV/IR cut filter, which blocks infrared light from reaching CCD or CMOS sensors. This ensures that images captured are sharp and color accurate, preserving the fine details that would otherwise be lost to infrared blur. For visual observation, the telescope includes an 8mm eyepiece with 60x magnification, a 20mm eyepiece with 25x magnification, and a 1.25-inch 45-degree erecting prism. The prism provides correctly oriented left-to-right and up-down images, making viewing landscapes, birds, or celestial objects intuitive and hassle-free. Both eyepieces feature a rubberized top for comfort, enhancing the overall observing experience. The flat-field design of the Askar 71F is particularly noteworthy for astrophotography. It minimizes field curvature, ensuring stars remain pinpoint sharp across the entire field of view. This feature is essential for wide-field imaging of deep sky objects, enabling clear, distortion-free captures without additional complex equipment. The telescope's optical quality ensures bright, crisp views whether you are observing the moon's craters, planets, or distant star clusters. Overall, the Askar 71F strikes a perfect balance between high-performance optics, portability, and user-friendly features. Its combination of a compact design, precise optics, versatile accessories, and IR cut filter makes it a reliable tool for both visual enthusiasts and astrophotographers. It offers a rewarding experience, turning every observing session into an opportunity to explore the night sky with clarity and precision. Pros: sharp optics, lightweight, versatile, accurate imaging. Cons: small aperture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.